बल हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बल हरि गोविंद बल हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बल हरि मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी संग बनवारी मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी संग बनवारी निताई गौर understand English? Who understand English? Only one. You, eh? So who will translate? No need translate. If you translate, then time is going less. Huh?
Every can translate simultaneously on the back.
Okay. Om Ajnana-timirandhrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmitang Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Tadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Vancha Kalvataruvasya Kripa Sindhu Bhaivacha Patitanang Pavane Sat Vaishnave Bho Namo Namaha Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sri Vasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Are you now going?
Yes.
Foi. So see you tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. See you tomorrow.
So first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma. She can take prasad. You have prasad, how to go? You take prasad, no?
Okay, ma'am.
You give him to prasad, son. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyamad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Sarnani Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vibha Puri Goswami, Bhaktivan Puri Goswami, all devotees and all Vaishnavis. Yesterday was very super excellent auspicious day, no? Yesterday was the Gopal Bhatta Goswami's disappearance day. Acha Ramchandra Kaviraj appearance day. Ramachandra Sangamage Narottama Das. Actually, I remember one very nice, beautiful katha. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, Hey Maharaj Parikshit, 4 yugas are there. How many 4 yugas? What is that? Satta, Treta, Dapar, Kali. Satta yugas, people they perform the dhyan, meditation. Treta yugas, that is called Krita Jhatu Vishnu, Dapari Paricharjam. Krita Jhatu Vishnu, Tretayam, Jajati Makhai. Treta Yug people they perform fire sacrifice. In this way they can attain to Lord. Dapar Yug, that is called Archan, worship to Lord. Or Kali Yug, Kesava Sankirtanam. Okay? Kali Yuga Dharma, Nam Sankirtan. Because every yugas, their own nature dharma has described in this verse. Kritija Dhyatu Vishnu, त्रेतायं जजते मुखै दापरे परिचर्या kalu kesava sankirtanam. That means Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj different yugas, different nature, and how they will worship to Lord, attend to Lord. Do you understand? Satyugas, people, their age, how much age Satyugas? 100,000 years. And that's called 1 lakh. And Satyugas people can live in this material world. How many years? 100,000 years. And for this regard, they can meditate and actual asana, pranam, dhyan, dharana, samadhi, ashtanga yoga, kundalini yoga, everything is many kinds of yogas. Actually, for the Satyugas people. Kali Yuga not possible. Manusanang sasasu sasi jatit jatitu siddhati jatana vidita mang veti tatta. Kali Yuga not possible through dhyan also. Kundali yoga very difficult. Many people are thinking I will do it. Actually impossible. Muladhar chakra to going to Murdha chakra. The 7 stages. Kali Yuga not possible. They want to Brahma Loy, margin Brahma, Kundali yogas. Kali Yuga not possible. Why? 2 reasons here explained in this verse are Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad and others acharyas explain. First, Kali Yuga age is very short. Alpa ayusa medha medhina. Kali Yuga's people age is very short. Satyuga's ayus they also live 1 lakh, mane 100,000 years. And the Treta Yuga people they live how many years? 10,000 less 10. Dapar Yuga 10 less 1,000. Are Kali Yuga less 10 100 years. So possible. 100,000 years age of Satyuga's people. And now we are Kali Yuga 100 years, nothing. In 100 years we also divided in this way. Statements is given. How many years we are sleeping? Do you know? 50 years we are sleeping. Actually, when you calculate in our 100 years, how many years we are sleeping? 50 years we are sleeping. Do you calculate? Every day, how many years we are sleeping? Just calculate from your. If you live in this material world, Kali Yuga Jiva, how many years? 100 years. Then you give the statement. Whole your life statement, you can see that how many years you sleep? 50 years. At 50 years, you wake up. Durmendu Das, how many years? 50 years. Seconds. At 50 years, you up or down? Up or down. Simple. Baby, how many years? When you are baby? At least 10 years. How many years sleeping? Many hours sleeping. So in this way statement means is what? Not only this style. From your birth to end, means death. 100 years when you give the statement, every years, every month, every days when you calculate. Statement means is what? And complete statement from your birth to death. So how many years you sleeping? How many years? 50 years. Or 50 years? And 50 years you are alive. What you are doing? Try to understand. 20 years you engage to you getting some knowledge. MA, PhD, this. So how many years finished now?
80. 30.
70 years finished.
Yes.
50 years you slept, 20 years to acquire the knowledge, 30 years now your hand. Or 30 years also you are doing many things. Earning money, married, take care of your baby, children, these things, many things. So how many years this is going? Also statement is given 10 years. So how many years now? 80 years passed. Then how many years? 20 years. And 20 years also, last 10 years of your life, 90 to 100 years. Do you understand? When you are age 90 years, 100 years, that 10 years completely useless. You sleep or wake up, this is nothing. As like snake like. Body not working. And always body giving the pain. Continuous. So in your hand how many years? 10 years. 10 years what will do? And also many things are coming. Good, bad, the anxiousness, anxiety, many things I do. When you give the statements, and then you understand the whole life statement, then you see this way. 10 years what do nothing in your hand. Very quick, first. From your birth to death, 100 years you think it's just 10 days. 100 years you think 10 days nothing also. As like 10 days. Very quickly. So for this regard, Kali Yuga, how possible to Dhyan? Satya Yuga they have lived how many years?
100,000.
100,000, 1 lakh years. And Kali Yuga they are also sleepiness also less. Most of the time they wake up. Or Kali Yuga is what? Not only this, so first I also explained the Kali Yuga age is very short. Or second is what? Kali always disturb your mind. Kali 6 armies, they always disturb to you. How many armies of Kali? 6 armies. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. Lust, anger, kam, krodh, love, greed, moha, illusion, moth, intoxication to enjoying the material sense gratifications, or enviousness. Kali Maharaj, 6 enemies, 6 armies. They always disturb you. Do you understand? Kam, krodh, lobh, moha, moth, and master. Kali's 6 armies always disturb you. So how possible Kundali Yoga? How possible meditate? How possible asana? Asana and satsang, do many things is not possible. Kali Yuga, this is nothing, not possible. Okay, just I also return back. So Kali Yuga dhyan not possible. Treta Yuga, how many years? Treta Yuga, age, how many years? How many years? 10,000. That time they perform fire sacrifice. Kali Yuga very difficult to do fire sacrifice. And you cannot get the perfect brahmanas. Understand? I am not criticizing. Many Western people, Western devotees, they have to fire sacrifice. But pronunciation not also perfect. Prabhupada, pat. If that because if Sanskrit were not perfectly again, you cannot get also proper fruits also. But Kali Yuga is giving the concession, okay, you say Vishnave Namo, Bhagavat-grahi Janardana. This is another thing. Understand? If you not proper pronunciation, mantra, Veda's mantra is not proper pronunciation. Mantra Dhishthatri Devata will not give the fruits also. But our Vaishnava philosophy is very humble, saying, okay, you chant Hare Krishna or Hare Krishna or Hare Krishna, no problem. Bhavagrahi Janardana. That is another thing. I am not criticizing, but this is also true. If not proper pronunciation, perfect pronunciation, how possible? Not this pronunciation, also Suddha Sadachar need also. This is also. Because if you do fire sacrifice, need this Suddha Sadachar, good behavior, as it is, perfect good behavior. Every second, every moment, you have to attention, Shuddha Sadachar. If you go toilet, change cloth. If you go to passing the water, and have to do these many washing, these many things. If you not, you break. That your Brahmanical also breaking. Brahmanical activities. Because why Shastra is saying only Brahman can worship? The Brahman means is what this way, but completely pavitrata. Kali Yuga not possible. So how possible get the perfect Brahmana to perform fire sacrifice? Again you are saying, okay, our Vaishnava philosophy is saying very humble. Vishnave Namo, Vishnave Karma Marga, Gyan Marga, other things. But Vishnava Marga is Swaha, Swaha, Aha. Understand? Swaha, then say Ha ha. Swaha, then say Aha. In our Govardhan, they are nearby another other side of the road. There is a big 5 days they also fire sacrifice every day, and 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 5 hours or 6 hours they do fire sacrifice. We listen, try to listen sometimes because different Brahman are changing, you know. Not one Brahman 8 hours doing Swaha Swaha. So different Brahman. Sometimes one Brahman chanting Swaha, another one saying Aha, Swaha, Waha, Swaha, Aha. Yes, listen or no?
Yes.
Something I said, really they are chanting Swaha or Aha. I'm thinking Aha. So that means pronunciation difference, then fruits will come difference. But again, Kali Yuga is saying, okay, same, our also saying, Vaishnava very humble saying, Vishnave Namo, Vishnave Namo, Bhagavat-grahi Janardana. That's another thing. So that is actual Kali Yuga not possible to fire sacrifice. Treta Yuga, Treta Yuga is no fire sacrifice. Dapar Yuga, Archan. If you do Archan, need many kinds of ingredients. Understand? Sometimes you forget the bell. Where is the bell? Ganti. Incense.
not perfect. Many things also defects Kali Yuga, not properly made. But our Vaishnava very humble, okay, Bhavagrahi Janardana. Vaishnava are always saying Bhavagrahi Janardana. No problem. Lord, accept your mood. Kali Yuga is a non-sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Naam, solo naam, Bhakti Japsa, 16th names and 32 syllables. Anyhow you chant, even you chant the Krishna, Kri Ucharana Masana Krishna, Akarti Sna, Premanandan Bhavati, Dadaji Jayati Krishna. Well, what chant it is? 16th name, 32 syllables. Just Kri. Kri means Krishna attract with you. Nascha Nibritti Vachaka. Premanandam Bhavati. Then Krishna will give prem. Kali Yuga. Ajamil just gave his son's name Narayan. Just chanted his Narayan name. Then Namahas and attended Vaikuntha. Namahas Ajamil Pailo Vaikuntha. So now why I am saying? Because Satyuga's Dhyan Pradhan, principle is Dhyan. Dapur Treta Yuga, principle that is called fat sacrifice. Dapur Yuga principle Archan, worship Thakurji. And Kali Yuga principle, what is that? Nama Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Srimad Bhagavatam, when he glorified about Kali Yuga, even though all the demigods, they are hankering, they are praying to Lord Brahma. Hey Lord Brahma, please give us, take birth in this Kali Yuga. Why not Satyayuga, Dapur Yuga, Treta Yuga? Kali Yuga. But Kali Yuga, though many faults, Kale Dosa Nidhi Rajana. Hey Maharaj Parikshit, listen, in this Kali Yuga, people they have thousand faults. What is your good qualification? Madhava Bahuta Minati Koritoya. Madhava Bahuta Minati Koritoya. ए देह समर्पिनु दयाजनु छोड़ो विमान तुलसी तिलस समर्पण गुणइते गणलेश न पहाबु. हे माधव, now I offer this body mind to you. I don't know my mind. I know my, what is this? My body. Madhava बहुत मीनति करितोय ए देह समर्पिनु. देह तुलसी तिल देह समर्पिनु. Mind समर्पिनु, not saying. What saying? Deha समर्पिनु. Because mind is very subtle. You cannot catch your mind. ए देह समर्पिनु. Yeah, saying. जे माधव बहुत विद्यापति संगीत सॉन्ग. माधव बहुत मीनति करितोय देई तुलसी तिल देह समर्पिनु दया जनु ना छोड़बी मोय. गणइते दोष गुणलेश न पहावी जब तुहु करबी विचार. Encountering the only my faults. You will not find a speak of good qualities when considering my approach. When I pray to your lotus feet, and if you ask, if you are praying to me, what is your good qualification? Well, I have no any good qualification. So I say, and when considering my prayer, you are known throughout the world as Jagannath, Lord of the universe. Therefore, even a contemplative person like me is not beyond your consideration. I am very fallen. Jagar Bahi Namui Charo. You try to understand this is true. In these Kali Yuga people, there are no any qualification. Only bad qualification. Why? Because Kali Maharaj 6 armies, they always shooting to us. What is the Kali Maharaj? 6 armies? Lust, anger, kamkrodh, greed, moth and master, intoxication, and enviousness. How possible? You understand it? So Kali Yuga this is so far this is Srimad Bhagavatam is Kalir Dosa Nidhi Rajano. Kalir Dosa Nidhi. Nidhi means is what? Source of all kinds of faults. Where? In this Kali Yuga. Dos ke khajana. The source of all the faults. Kali Yuga. Kalir Dosa Nidhi Rajano. But ekasti mahana guna. But in this Kali Yuga, only one very precious qualification. What is that? Kirtanadiva Kirtanas. You chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nittam Brajit. You chant holy names, very easy. And free from all kinds of your faults and attain to Lord. Sometimes I told one very nice beautiful story. They understand about this Kali Yuga's qualification or Kali Yuga's Mahatma. Mahatma means the glorification of Kali Yuga. There was one king. The king was very richest king. Lot of his wealth, money and everything. He had how many sons? 4 sons. Remember, the king had how many sons? 4. Yeah. But that prince, 4 prince, they are very proud of his father, because his father is king, vast of wealth, money and everything. 4 sons, when they about to mature youth, and king noticed, my 4 sons now youth, but they are not giving attention my kingdom. And they are always absorbed to enjoy the sense gratifications. And my first son, second son, third, fourth. And then the king is thinking what to do, when I will die, then what happened my 4 sons? It is better I give some lesson to them and to engage to them their service. Then one day they will be qualified and they will to take their responsibilities. Understand? They will take their own responsibilities. Because if you not take your responsibilities, your life is useless. You understand? That Sanskrit word दायित्व लेना पड़ेगा. दायित्वहीन मनुष्य पशु समान. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada in Bengali verse explained, दायित्वहीन मनुष्य पशु के भांत माने who is not take the responsibilities, that human person is as like animals. You have to take responsibilities from your families to everywhere. You have to responsibilities of your wife, children. You have to responsibilities of your society. You have to take responsibilities of your country. Huh? You are Brazilian. Just explaining the mundane talk, not the spiritual. Responsibilities, this is very important. Yeah? Charity begins in the home. Yeah? Mother, she has to responsibility of her babies. Husband have to take responsibility of her wife. Everything is a responsibility, this word using. Yeah? This and this. If you not take responsibility your life or your activity, that is useless. As like animals. Animals not taking their any responsibilities. Eh? This is true. Eh? Just eating, sleeping, depending and mating. Sex life is the best life. Animal's life means it is not other than things. Eating, sleeping, depending and sex life. But no responsibility, nothing. Stupid nonsense. That's correct. Animals means these. For this, Padma Puran is saying these words. Ahara nidra vaimunjanancha samana etat pasubhi naranam. Eating, sleeping, depending and mating. That is your life. Common. Huh? Common in here. Cats, dogs, animals, human, everything same. Not other than this. Understand? Responsibility is what? Only human being. And if you not take responsibilities, that is useless. So now coming in this way. So king, one day he called his 4 sons. Understand? Actually I am saying this story as like Rupak. Rupak means what is called? Making the story, they are giving some example. Parable. Parable.
Portuguese word.
For the English term. Rupak. Just I forget. Parable. You coming?
Yes.
What is saying?
Sing parable. Parable. Parable.
English sense?
Yes.
Okay, write down his name. I will forget. Yeah? So king called his 4 sons. Understand? First, second, third and fourth. And he told, hey my 4 sons, listen. Soon I leave my body. Within couple months, couple years I will leave my body. So after my death, who will be real king in my country and who will take charge my Singhasan throne? I have to decide. Who is qualified? But I will take test. Because after my death, then all you say, this is my father's property, I have to take. You think this is mine? Or I will take the 4 parts. If your father property 4 brothers, what will do? After your death, your father, what will do? 4 brothers are quarreling. Going to the court, judge will decide this portion, this one. Some will take it now east, some saying the west, some is saying this. Understand? In this material world, always quarreling. If you have four sons, you can try to understand this way. So it is better. King told, it is better. I have to take test. Who is qualified to take my Singhasan? I will take test. Then before my death, I will sign in my paper. After my death, this son will be qualified to take charge. Then 4 sons agreed. Then the 4th son agreed. If the father what will do? Fourth son, listen. I am giving everybody to 1 lakh rupees, 100,000 rupees. Take this. Go to the other country, and after 1 year, you have to return back and show to me and what is your profit and loss account. Understand? What you will do? After how many years?
1 year.
1 year. What did he say?
After 1 year, you come back and.
After 1 year, you come back and show your profit and loss account. I will check. Then 4 sons, they took how many monies? Everybody 100,000 money. Everybody. So 400,000. Then after 1 year, elder brother, number 1 son, returned back. He told his father, I made this business, and you gave me 1 lakh rupees. Understand? So I made 3 times, and with your capital. Take this. How much? 400,000. 300 profit. 300,000 profit and 100 capital. Father's capital. So take this. Then father very happy. Sabas. You are qualified. Very nice. You are very intelligent. Otherwise, how possible 3 times to make this profit? Understand? Then second brother, second son. Okay. What you did? Then to go, my elder brother, I not do it this way. I did twice. Understand? Take the father, take this. So how many rupees? Could you remember? 3,000. 300,000. That means 200,000 profit and 1,000 capital. So remember, notebook. So take the father. 3,000, 100, 300,000. Then father said, okay, this is good. This is good also. Nice. Then third son called, what you did? Father, I did not like my elder brother or other brother, I didn't. Just I twice did. 100,000 profit and 100,000 capital. So how much? 200,000. I told, okay, this is not so bad. Not so bad. And bad, not so bad. Okay, this is okay. Okay. Understand? Suddenly, okay, you are saying this is okay. But not so bad. But father is not so much, please. Okay. Then called fourth son. Fourth son called, hey, my youngest son, crying and crying. Shedding tears. Rolling tears from his eyes. And his body is very lean and thin. Crying. And completely surrendered to Lotus feet. Father, you gave me 100,000 rupees. I lost everything. 1 year. When I took this money, then I wasted all money. My business completely finished. When son is crying, father's heart melted. Father asked, king asked, okay, tell to me what you did, 100,000 rupees. What you did? Tell to me, give the statement. Your profit loss, what you did? Give. He told father, you gave me 100,000 rupees. When I was carrying on, then I meet with my friends. that he was drunkard. Drunkard means drinking the alcohol. And 50,000 rupees I lost to drink alcohol with my friends. I did not any business. And then thinking, oh, maybe next 50,000 business. Then I do all bad things. In this way, actually I did not put anything in my business. I wasted all my money, 100,000 money. I drank alcohol, prostitute, everything. Enjoyed sense gratification. And now I am only sure. I get TB, cancer, my body completely hurt. I am about to die, brother. First, I don't want to come to see you. I don't want to say face, don't want to see your face to you again. But you are very merciful. You understand? Because how possible I go in front of my father? Father asked me, I gave you 100,000 rupees, what you did? I will tell to my father, say, Father, I did this. But you are so kind. Eh? You are so kind. Father, I will die. I want to commit suicide. I have no qualification. I know, eldest brother, he will be qualified to charge of your Singhasan. Because you told, you have to. I am not qualified. Father, tell to me what to do now. Crying and crying. And completely surrender to the feet of King. And Father, save me. I want to commit suicide myself. But you are so kind. You give me shelter. When King heard his sons, these types of very sorrowful more words, then King's heart melted. King told, oh my son, don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. And you repented of your own sinful activities. This is enough for me. Do you understand? King told, oh my youngest son, you repented of your own sinful activities. You promised, again will not do this sinful activities. You understand? Understand or not?
Yeah.
Then youngest son hold the feet of king and say, Father, I promise. And just save my life. I don't want to become king. I don't want to become your charge of the Singhasan throne. Just give me life. This is enough for me. I promise to you. I promise to you. Again, I will not commit any sinful activity. Then king told, okay. Oh my son, listen. Call his personal secretary, king's personal PA. King's personal. Okay. Open my hidden secret. What is called? Self. Open. 4 sons is there. Open. Then so open. One very nice, beautiful one box is inside. Then so open. Again that box open. Golden. Then golden box. Open. Then when they open the golden box, then so inside the golden one silver box. Open. Another you say, then one very valuable precious box inside. Understand? Open. Then inside the precious box, Then saw one very valuable gems. Eh? Then king told, "Oh my youngest son, come. Take this. I want to give to you." This is called Chintamani. What is that? This is called? What did he say?
Chintamani.
Chintamani. This is a DJ stone who is filling and stone. Oh my youngest son, take this. I want to give to you. Then 3 sons, they become very angry. Father, you are making the discrimination, partiality. I am your youngest son. This is our father's property. You are my father. This is your property. We have to write 4 pieces. We have to take. Why you are giving the youngest son? This should be divided in 4. Then king become very serious. Oh my 3 sons, keep patient. Don't quarrel. Don't quarrel to each other. This is my property. This is my property. I will give to whom? I will decide. Still I am alive. You have no right to take decision. I will take decision. I will give the final decision. This valuable, precious person money, I will give to whom? My desires is the best desires. My desires is the best desire. I not wait for your any comments. I am the supreme. Because this is mine. I want to give this very valuable precious who's filling stone to whom? My whose son? Youngest son. Take this. Then youngest son crying and crying and crying. Dear Father, I am always yours. And do pranam. Finish. What is the purport? Try to understand this story. King is the personification of Lord Bhagavan. Do you understand? His 4 sons. Who is the 4 sons? Satta, Treta, Dapar, Kali. Try to understand. Satta, youngest son. What is it called? Eldest son. Treta, 3. Number 2. 3. Then Kali Yuga. Satta, Treta, Dapar, Kali Yuga. Satta Yugas, they have own faith. They can do everything. Kali Yuga not possible. Dapar Yuga, next son. Treta Yuga, next son. Also they can do everything. Treta Yuga, Dapar Yuga, they also can do. But Kali Yuga has no qualification. Because they call it those nidhi rajana. Jab ekasti mahana guna. What mahagun? Surrender to Lord. When you surrender to Lord, then Lord is giving to you. Kali Yuga means how will you absolutely surrender to Lord. Then Lord will give us. What things Lord is giving to us? Harinam, that precious, valuable jewels. What is that? Parsamani or Chintamani, that's called Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So called Nam Sankirtan. Don't need any other process. No dhyan, no meditation, no principal meditation, no principal activities. What is called? Fire sacrifice. That means I don't do fire sacrifice. This is not my subject. Oh, no need for, no, you have to do. And they are not principal. And mukha. And third, no archan. That means I am not saying no need to archan Thakurji. But this is not the principle. But Kali Yuga, what the principle? Nam Sankirtanam. Jatopnati, Tadupnati. Kalu Kesava Nama Sankirtanam. Jiva Goswami Pad giving the conclusion. Other yugas, different yugas, they can attain to Lord, attain to the. But Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, Purna Suddha Nitya Mukto, Abhinnatvad Nama Namina. Nama Chintamani, Padma Holy name is called Chintamani. Very precious. And Chintamani, who is feeling? Stop. And you chant holy name will fulfill all your desires. You will give attention to Nam, Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So in this Kali Yuga, many Lord, that I told, King is the personification of Saint Bhagavan. And his four sons, Satta, Treta, Dapar, Kali. So Bhagavan, Sri Hari, he gives a very valuable, precious jewels to whom? Kali Yuga. What is that? Nam Sankirtan. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hello, article. Govinda Vala Hari Gopala Bolo, Govinda Vala Hari Gopala Bolo. Oh Govinda Vala Hari Gopala Bolo, Govinda Vala Hari Gopala Bolo. Adhara Mana Hari, Giridhari Sanam Gono Hari, Meru Adhara Mana Hari, Giridhari Sanam Gono Hari, Meru Adhara Mana Hari, Giridhari Sanam Gono Hari, Meru Adhara Mana Hari, Giridhari Sanam Gono Hari. Hare 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 Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Actually, I also forget to speak also all the description of Kali Maharaj, Kali Yuga. What is the good qualification Kali Yuga? Kali Yuga no good qualification. Only what is called bad. Now Tulasi Das, Ramcharit Manas. And Hindi, Ramcharit Manas also very nicely and vividly described about the, what is called, bad activities of Kali Yuga Durdarsha. Understand? May not understand. But is Kali Yuga, these are there. Kali Yuga, what is it doing? If you go India, understand? There are those who are milkmen, understand? Going to the house to selling the milk. But those who are selling the alcohol, they are staying on one place and very safety place. Do you understand? Those who are selling the alcohol or very stock, and they very secret, what is called?
Hidden place.
Not hidden, money protected place. Understand? Only one small hole, you pay money and take an alcohol. Because sometimes people drink alcohol and bitter leaf and take. But with the milkman, they are going to house and milk. If you drink the milk, you will be healthy. And if you drink the alcohol, you will become crazy. Okay. But still people, how they are reasoning this way? And so Tulsidas explained this way also. Stupid nonsense, Kali Yuga. Understand? You read Tulsidas Ramcharit Manas, they will understand. But still Kali Yuga's one good qualification, chant Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But Kali Yuga, how will chant holy name? Surrender to King, man, surrender to Krishna. And Atma Samarpitan. Then you will get all these things. This is the teaching and moral about the story, king and his 4 sons. Remember, 4 king is the personification of Lord Krishna himself. Our 4 sons, 4 yugas. Satta, Treta, Dwapar, Kali Yuga. So Kali Yuga is very important. How to surrender to Krishna, Guru and Krishna chant holy name. Gur Premanand. Jasomati Nandana Brajavara Nagara Gokula Ranjana Oi Lali.
Yasomati Nandana Brajavarnagara Gokula Ranjana Kana Yasomati Nandana Brajavarnagara Gokula Ranjana Kana Yasomati Nandana Brajavarnagara Gokula Ranjana Kana Yasomati Nandana
Dev ki jai. Nitya Nila Pravishtam Vishnupada Brahmamsa Parivraj Kacharya Stotra Sashishimat Sila Bhakti Vedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj Sila Gurudeva ki jai. Nitya Nila Pravishtam Vishnupada Brahmamsa Parivraj Kacharya Stotra Sashishimat Sila Bhakti Vedanta Vamana Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Nitya Nila Pravishtam Vishnupada Brahmamsa Parivraj Kacharya Stotra Sashishimat Sila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Sila Gurudeva ki jai. Sri Gurudeva ki jai. Sri Shri Rupa Sanatana Bhakta Raghunatha Shri Jiva Gopala Bhatt Das Raghunath Sarva Goswami Prabhu Ki Jai. Shri Jiva Gopala Bhatt Das Goswami Sarva Goswami Prabhu Ki Jai. Shri Swarupa Damodar Raya Goswami Shri Gaudiya Vedanta Acharya Shri Baladeva Vidyabhushan Prabhu Ki Jai. Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti Prabhu Ki Jai. Shri Narottama Shri Vasyamananda Prabhu Chai Ki Jai. Shri Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Prabhu Ki Jai. Shri Swarupa Damodar Raya Ramananda Giri Gopal Shadha Vrinda Ki Jai. Namacharya Sila Haridas Thakur Ki Jai. Prema Sikaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda. Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta Shri Antar Dvip Maya Purushimanta Dvip Badruma Dvipa Maja Dvipa Kula Dvipa Rita Dvipa Jana Dvipa Mudra Druma Dvipa Rudra Dvipa Atma Shri Navadip Dham Shri Shri Radha Krishna Gopa Gopi Gopa Vardhana Dwada Shvanat Mata Shri Braja Mandala Ki Jai. Shama Kunda Radha Kunda Jamundam Tulas Bhakti Dev Ki Jai. Shri Jaganatha Baladeva Subhadra Dev Ki Jai. Shri Narisimha Bhagavan Ki Jai. Prahlad Maharaj Ki Jai. Charo Sampradaya Ki Jai. Shri Gaudiya Vedanta Samit Ki Jai. Shri Devananda Gaudiya Rayana Sakamata Samur Ki Jai. Shri Harinama Sankirtan Ki Jai. Ananda Gauta Vaishnava Vrinda Ki Jai. Samanta Bhakta Vrinda Ki Jai. Shri Shri Gaur Premanande.
Sada.